In the quiet of the pasture, where sunlight dances on wool and grass, there is a story as old as time. A little one, curious and alone, looks to the distance, seeking something beyond the familiar. But the Good Shepherd knows his own. He walks among them, guiding with a hand both firm and gentle. He calls them by name, and they follow, for they know his voice, and in his presence they find rest. In the quiet of the evening, we are reminded we are never alone. The Good Shepherd walks with us today and always.